Hey guys, this is a tutorial video for quizzes in Optinjoy. Quizzes are different from polls in the sense that with polls you're just uh, taking people's data and tallying it up together. So you can say, okay, 50 people agreed with you on this option that you chose, for example. With quizzes, you are given an outcome for whatever they answer. You can have maybe 5 questions, and based on those questions, you can say, okay, we think you need a report on social media use, or we think you are excellent at social media already, that sort of thing. With quizzes on the dashboard, you get quiz name, visits, subscribers. You can also see responses to your quizzes if you've upgraded to this package, and then certain actions that you can take. Now we have some templates already in the system that you can easily use, or you can create from scratch, whichever one you prefer. Now I have a quiz already set up, so I would be using this for demonstration purpose. So to create a quiz from scratch, let's call this quiz test. Pop over, choose create. You can pick a theme if you want. Let's go to the start page, which is this page. You can choose your heading. So let's use this heading. How much do you know about cars? Yeah. Subheading, take the quiz against other contenders. And then we can leave, okay, click to continue. Yep. Remember that you can amend all of this, so you can make, for example, the heading, change the color, change font family. All right, so the next tab we have here is the outcomes. So this is the result that you're giving people based on their answers to the questions. So we have it as the first tab because you will need it for the questions. So you just click add outcome, and you have outcome title, and you have outcome description. Now you can use text, so which is what you have below, or you can use a redirect URL. So you want, maybe based on what the person answers, you want to direct them to a certain page. You just enter it in here. So let's say you're a genius based on what someone answers. Let's just use a text builder. And enter in, you answered most of the questions right. All right. You're a genius at this. Okay. So that's, you add your outcome. Done. You click done. You can then enter a new outcome as well if you want. So let's do you're a genius again. All right. Done. And then let's go with the next one. Try again next time. All right, if you want to put a description, you can always do that. Done. So these are the outcomes. These are the two results that you have. So it's either going to be one or the other. You then go to questions. You click add question. So you enter the question that you want to ask people. So this is our first question. What's the purpose of engine oil? Yeah. Submit. And then you can add options as well to this question. So what's the purpose of engine oil? We can say an option is it prevents engine overheating. All right. Then if this person picks this, what should it do next? Go to the next question in the list. If you have other questions, they would appear in this list. And then what is the outcome based on this answer? What is your action based on this answer? So It prevents engine overheating. That's obviously true. So you can say you're a genius. Add. You can also add other options to this particular question. So it lubricates the engine internal parts. Yeah. If they answer this, you're a genius. All right. So you can add as many options as you want to this question. You can also just click to add a new question as well. So if you want to then ask another question, do cars have spark plugs? You can do that, submit, and then add options. So here the answer is yes or no. So let's say yes, you're a genius. If the person says no, then it's try again next time. So what would happen is when you are done with all your questions, when the person answers, the system will tally up the various results, and whichever one is more is what that person will get as their final outcome. So if the person chooses, if you have 5 questions, for example, and the person chooses 3 options that are you're a genius, and then 2 that try again next time, the overall outcome would be you're a genius. So that's how quizzes work. And then you can also amend appearances, you can amend the fields, the behavior as with normal, and then that's it. You publish. You get your code that you can use for integration, and then you can also get a link to a hosted page if you don't want to integrate this quiz and you just want to direct people, for example, from Facebook. Alright guys, so that's overview of quizzes. Remember, you can also download your responses if you're on this package. Cheers guys.